So yeah, I wa- so Miss told us that Geo is in the Manja coffee shop studying. So I said, okay, I will go to her. And she said, no, don't go to her. Maybe because maybe I will disturb her studying. But I said, I want to ask something about iOS. And then they go, and I just mopping the floor, and I found a motorcycle car key. It was Honda, but I don't know uh, who who is the owner of that key. So I just put it on a bright red chair because the key is dominantly black colored. So after I did what I must did, which is cleaning the hall, I go to coffee shop riding my bicycle, and I find someone waving at me. I don't know who that is even. I I I was too shy if I wave back at him, and suddenly he is someone that I don't know. He just keep looking at me, and I was keep looking on the street because I want to cross the street. And when I just park my bicycle, oh, it's Reza. Yeah, he is sitting alone outside the coffee shop. There is chair and table, and I just handshake, and I said did a small talk with him. And I asked him, where is Geo? Yeah, and Geo is in the inside of coffee shop. And I said, yeah, this is important, there is key, that there is something that I must ask Geo, yada yada yada. And I enter the coffee shop, and I approach Geo, and kaget, which means surprise. And he is in front of her laptop with a earpiece. And I did a small talk at first, but I forgot about it. But let's get to the point. Or should I talk in Indonesia? Because if I translate this speech into English, there may be some missing details. So I will talk in Indonesia. So hey, ada kunci. Oh, and this is my new habit. When I talk, I do this to focus, to carefully uh, put my words into a nice sentence. And I said there is key, there is key, ada kunci, bilang nemu kunci nah, nggak tahu tuh punya siapa nah. And I told her the some list of people that I think is the owner of that key. And she basically typing on her phone, and I spell it loud and clear about what I want to tell to the WhatsApp group chat, because my other phone is currently not on. So So yeah, I was waiting, and yes, it's Yabes, and I said Puji Tuhan, which means God bless. And I did a small talk. Oh, I asked her, oh, she is with red nail, police. I asked her, what should I do if I found money on the street? And she said, masukin kolektor, which means donate it to coach, which yeah, right. And she asked me, mau kopi nggak, mau minum nggak, gitu. How funny, because Reza, when he want to go to the bathroom, hey, minum nggak, which means drink, no. So it's funny that two people want to buy me a drink, but I politely declined because on Friday I had stomach issues, not diarrhea, but my poop was somewhat liquid. Yeah, so I don't want to challenge my stomach. But I appreciate their offer. She asked, want some hot chocolate, and I said no, there is microplastic. So oh yeah, and I also asked her about iPad, which there is no the white visual button on screen. I don't know what is the name, and I gave her the iPad, and the waiter of the coffee shop, which also my friend Aldo, approached us, and he said, just looking at my iPad, and I said, oh, this is expensive, this is 15 million, but it's actually not. Yeah, it's actually not. My aunt said that, but it's actually 8 million when launching price. So yeah, she carefully swipe. I told her the code, second, and she carefully taught me about how to enable that button. Ini accessibility, itu ke bawah, bisa touch. Nah, lu mau apa nih? Lu mau ke long click, nah bisa di screenshot, and she hold the button and got screenshot. Oh, Jeremy, she said that, and she enabled that button, and I said, hey, wait, let me write it down. And I don't write it, I just type it on my phone, the setting. And yeah, she is nice teacher, and I finally know how to enable that button. And I finally pack my things because I want to go home, and I check many things: phone, house key, the iPad, and that was quite some time like that. And before I go, I say thanks to her, and suddenly I take a last look on her table. I'm afraid there may be something that I forgot, and he said no, enggak. And finally to Reza, which unfortunately I don't talk a lot because there is the rice field, nasi padang. I'm afraid it will spoil if I don't eat it quick, and I don't want to eat food on a restaurant or coffee shop or anything, the food that I don't buy from that restaurant. Yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah, so I said yes. So I said yes, thank you to Reza, and I just quickly go to my bicycle, and like that to him, because if I do small talk, it will be a long talk, and I'm afraid the rice field will be spoiled. But I fortunately already eat that rice field, nasi padang. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, and I also talked to Geho. Hey, it's 1 year. The key found. Yeah, I must massage my mother.